politician. He just wants to make a change. I mean, just want to have an equal treatment of all races, even if Filipino or Spaniards.
Yes, I know, I get that point, but if Rizal would really have the purpose to help the country, he must have just worked under the Spanish government because
Spaniards are looked down
because we are during the time of Rizal, we are under the governance of the Spaniard, and that the Spaniards were the most powerful country of that time. Therefore, we should not go against them because we are under their governance. We have nothing to do with that.
As I said again, Spaniards are cruel. They did not allow Filipino people to.
Yes, Spaniards are cruel, but you know what? No matter how harsh they were, but to the fact that we are under their governance.
Yes, but we are, and
we have the right to rebel.
Yes, and we have the capacity to go against and fight for our right. And because Spaniards they violate our rights as a person, as an individual, and as a citizen of the Philippines.
Follow-up question. So, do you think that if Rizal would rule over the country, do you think that it would be the Philippines would be on progress? In progress, I mean, sorry.
No, progress means not directly progress, but there is something that Rizal can help to free from those cruel